Check this out. New installation for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. This is a real full carbon fiber steering wheel yoke for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Also available for the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. Comes in gloss or matte. This is also a full airbag cover replacement. See the quality there. Real authentic carbon fiber, not fake ABS carbon fiber. So if you're interested in this product, check it out. Link in the description of this video. So you can see how the fit and finish is. OEM design inspire. The core is still the same. All the switches is OEM. Nothing changes there. It's just the actual steering wheel yoke itself. Looks amazing. This car, Highland 3, has everything carbon fiber. You can see there, from the door trim to the actual body kit, side skirt, door handles, to the rear tail lights cover, rear diffuser, and going around side skirt. Let's take a look at the wheels here. Also the mirror caps right there. That has the actual fins. Comes with no fins as well. Autopilot fender camera, carbon fiber, and also the front lip. If you're interested in any of this product, check out link in the description of this video.